Bonjour friends. How are you? Hope you're practicing the language. Are you still continuing your practice? Last week our lesson was about the interrogation, that is the interrogation. We are continuing with the lesson today, and this is interrogation part 2, or you can say it is about the interrogation negatif, la interrogation negatif AC. Now first we will learn what is interrogation negative. I gave you a glimpse in the last lesson also about this. See, again I'm taking an example of a sentence here which is vous aimez les fruits. That means you love the fruits. If I have to make this negative, I will use ne and pas before and after the verb, as already explained in the lessons before. So it is vous n'aimez pas les fruits, because here e of ne was a vowel, and again there is a vowel here, so we remove this e and put an apostrophe here. So this becomes vous n'aimez pas les fruits. So this is you do not love the fruits. And I told you in the last lesson that for making the interrogation we have 3 forms by which we can make a sentence, interrogative sentence. And the first was the intonation. So what we do is we just change the tone of speaking and just add a question mark, this interrogation mark, and this becomes a interrogative sentence. So this is negative interrogation here. Vous n'aimez pas les fruits? And the other way was adding an est-ce, so I just added an est-ce before this negative sentence. So this became, sorry, I have not written est-ce here, it should be est-ce. So it is, est-ce que vous n'aimez pas les fruits? Okay, and then the third was the inversion form. And I told you the in inversion you have to invert the subject and the verb here. Okay, this has to be inverted. Now in this negative, this ne and pa is also coming. So how will you invert this? You take this vous here. Okay, you take this vous here. So this becomes ne aimez-vous pas les fruits. Okay, this remains a set. Ne aimez-vous pas les fruits. Okay, so now we come to our next part, and that is C. Now what is C? Okay, so now we come to the C part here. Now what is C? Okay, so I have divided this here, and here we have taken a positive question, positive interrogation, and in this part we will do the negative interrogation. So as told in the previous lesson and today's lesson also, the positive question, the first form is vous aimez les fruits, the intonation form, and the second is est-ce que vous aimez les fruits, or aimez, the inversion part is aimez-vous les fruits. Now in any form, these forms, if the question comes, the positive question if it comes, and if you have to answer, your answer can be either in positive or it can be in negative. Okay, so positive means you want to answer that yes, you like the fruits, or in negative you want to say no, I don't like the fruits. Okay, or we don't like the fruits here in this case. So vous, you can answer in no, or you can answer in je also, in I also. So here we are using we. Yes, we like the fruits. So the for yes, the word is oui. We, O-U-I. We, nous aimons. The conjugation of aimer with nous is aimons. So it is nous aimons les fruits. And the negative is non, nous ne aimons pas les fruits. No, nous n'aimons pas les fruits. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now we come to the negative question. Negative question here in the intonation form becomes vous n'aimez pas les fruits, or it would be est-ce que vous n'aimez pas les fruits, or in the inversion form, third form, it is ne aimez-vous pas les fruits. This is what I told you just a while ago. This becomes a set, ne aimez-vous. parlez free. Now here also the answers can be either in positive or in negative. So in any form this negative question is asked, whether it is first form, second form or third form. The answer, how would you answer here? For positive, if the question is negative and you have to answer positive, then we don't use we use si. So the answer becomes si, nous aimons les fruits. Here you have to remove this ne pas also then, because now you are answering in positive. Okay, and then in negative this remains the same. Non, nous n'aimons pas les fruits. So what we understand here is, if the question is positive, and you have to answer in positive, then you use we. Okay, question positive, answer positive. Question positive, answer negative, then you use no. Okay, and then if the question is negative and the answer is positive, question negative, answer positive, then we use C. If the question is negative, answer is also negative, then again we use no here. Okay, so I hope this is clear. This is for our lesson today. Please keep watching, and if you like the videos, please like and subscribe to the channel, and please share it with the others who might benefit from the lessons. So that's it for today. Keep practicing.